Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to balance a chemical equation. So first let's take an equation, a simple equation, that is the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to form water. Okay, it looks pretty simple. It's H2 plus O2 gives rise to H2O. Okay. Okay, now let's consider the LHS part, that is left hand side part. The LHS part is nothing but the reactants that are undergoing a change. And the RHS part, that is the right hand side part, that is the product that has already undergone a change and now they have formed a new chemical. Okay. Now in the LHS part, let's count the number of atoms present in each element. For example, hydrogen is an element. Now in the hydrogen element, there are two atoms. Okay. Now in the oxygen element, there are two atoms. Okay. So the total number of atoms in the left hand side is 4. Right. Now let's go with the RHS, that is the right hand side. Here let's take the same element, hydrogen. Always know one thing, if there is an element in the left hand side, it must be in right hand side. It must always be, it never gets destroyed. Okay, now hydrogen, if you count, there is 2 atoms, 2. Now let's go with the oxygen. Now if you see, there is no number in here. If there is no number, you must not misunderstand that it is 0. Actually it is 1. Okay, so there is 1 in here. Now let's add up this. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now you can clearly see that 4 is not equal to 3, which means the chemical equation is not balanced. And according to the law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another form. See, we have transformed these 2 atoms into another form. We cannot destroy it. Here one oxygen is destroyed. It's not possible, right? Okay, let's see now what we have to do in order to balance it. So here, since there is 1 but we need 2, you can multiply 2 in here. Okay. Now 2 and 1s are, it's 2. Also you must note that whenever you are writing a 2 before the compound, the entire elements in it gets changed. For example, the hydrogen was initially 2, but now 2 2s are 4, like that. It just changes all the atoms in the compound. Okay. Now let's compare it again. The hydrogen in the LHS part is 2, but in the RHS part it is 4, right? So it again means that it is increased in it. We cannot create it, right? So again the hydrogen is not perfectly balanced. Now let's balance the hydrogen. To balance it, here it must be 4. Okay. So in order to make this 4, I can multiply a 2 in here. I just multiplied this thing by 2 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, now the hydrogen 4, again the hydrogen 4 and oxygen 2 and oxygen 2. Let's add them up. So 4 plus 2 is 6. It was initially 4 but we have changed the chemical reaction, so it has become 6. Similarly in the right hand side, 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, if you see, the total number of atoms in the left hand side is exactly equal to the total number of atoms in right hand side. So therefore we can say that this equation is perfectly balanced. So thanks for watching guys. In case you really like this video, please make sure you like, share and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thanks for watching.